Hello students, welcome to MathWiz. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve quadratic inequalities. To learn this topic, what are the requirements? You should be aware of solving quadratic equations by any method like factorization or quadratic formula or completing the square. I have taken here 4 examples. So I show you all the 4 examples one by one, explaining the method. So let's start with the first. So first of all, here we'll factorize this. So let's factorize. Factorize, we'll take the last term, that is constant term. We have 10. Now we have to find a factor pair for 10. They should add up to 7. So if I take that, we'll get 5 and 2. What is the meaning? That means we got the factors. We got x plus 5 into x plus 2 equal to 0. I am taking here equal to because we will consider this as equation. First we will find the x values and then actually we will solve for the inequality. So first x values gives us critical values and then we decide which inequality will be taken as there, like less than sign or greater than sign, it depends. So from here we will find x value. Let's do x 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to minus 5 or x equal to minus 2. So we got critical values x equal to minus 5 and x equal to minus 2. What is the next step? I can see here I have drawn a number line and we'll show these two numbers on this number line. So obviously minus 2 comes on the right side and minus 5 will be on the left side because minus 5 is smaller than minus 2, right? Then what is the next step? We have to check. Now there are three regions are there. So which regions are true, which region is false? For that, what you need to do, we'll choose a value from any region. I'll prefer to choose 0 and 0 will fall in this region, right? It will come after minus 2. So I'm rightmost region I'll choose. So 0, if I'm taking 0, what will be the value of the function? Now x is 0 square plus 7 into 0 plus 10 greater than 0. That gives us 10 greater than 0. It is true or false? So obviously 10 is greater than 0. So it will be true. So we'll put true here. The other two regions, no need to check. We'll just put true and false alternate. So then it will be false and this will be true. So true false comes alternate. Now this region you have decided. We have seen that in which region this is true and in which region it is false. So region true means we have to take here what is the final solution now. It says this region here is true. What does it mean? Means that x should be less than 5 or the rightmost region is x should be greater than minus 2. So this is our answer. We got the solution. Let me put the answer in the box. So just a moment. Here. Done. So x less than -5 or x less greater than -2. This is the solution. Now let's see the another example. Now this is x square plus 6x minus 7 greater than 0. So again, the first step, we are going to find the critical values. So how to find the critical values? We can use any method, whether it is completing a square method, quadratic formula, or factorization. I am going to do by factorization. So let us consider this as equation. So x square plus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. Now minus 7 is the last term. So minus 7, you will find the two factors that should add up to plus 6. So if I am taking 7 and minus 1, 7 into minus 1 gives us minus 7 and 7 minus 1 gives us plus 6. So this is working. So what are the factors now? X plus 7 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that x plus 7 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 7 or x equal to positive 1. Right? I hope this is clear to you. So let me put the answers in the box. These critical values. Okay. Now once critical values we have got, now we have to write the final solution. Now how to write? Let us see. So 1 and minus 7. So minus 7 will be on the left side and 1 will be right side. Now again we have three parts of this number line. We'll choose 0 and 0 is falling in the region minus 7 to 1. It's not necessary to choose 0, but 0 choosing is easier to calculate. When you are putting the value in the expression and finding, that will be easier. That's why I am choosing 0. So my 0 comes here between minus 7 and 1. So middle region, right? So let's find what will be the value. 0 square plus 6 into 0 minus 7 greater than 0. Now 0 minus 7, that is minus 7 greater than 0. Now it is true or false? Obviously it will be false. So this is false. These two are true. True, false, true, false. It comes like this. Okay. Now, so what will be our answers? So we'll write x less than minus 7 or x greater than 1. And I'll put this in box to highlight my answer. So we are done with this. Let's take another example. In this example, coefficient of x square is other than 1. But still we can do with the help of factorization. So let us do. In this case, what happens? We'll multiply the first leading coefficient and the constant term. So here coefficient of x square is 6 and last term is plus 20. So 20 into 6 gives us 120. Right? Positive. Now we'll find the two factors of 120. They should add up to minus 23. Right? So it will be minus 15 minus 8. If you are not comfortable with this factorization method, you can use quadratic formula to find the critical values. Okay, so let's now factorize. We get 6x square. Now we will split the middle term using these two factors, minus 15x minus 8x minus 23x is divided into two parts. Split it into two parts, minus 15x minus 8x plus 20, and that is equal to 0. I am making this first equation and finding the critical values, and then actually we are solving the inequality. Okay. Now the first two terms and last two terms we have to factorize first. First two terms, if you see, what is the common factor? 3x. So we get 2x minus 5 minus, again here 8x and minus 8x plus 20. So we will get 4. 2x minus 5, and that is equal to 0. This implies that we get another one factor 3x minus 4. The other factor is 2x minus 5, and that is equal to 0. This implies that 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So this implies that x equal to 4 by 3, and here x equal to 5 by 2. So these are our critical values. Let's show them here on the number line. 4 by 3 is 1 point something, and 5 by 2 is 2 point something, right? 2.5. So 4 by 3 is a smaller value, so it will be on the left side. 5 by 2 is bigger, so it will be on the right side. Now, so 4 by 3, 5 by 2. Now 0 will come on the leftmost region, right? Left side. So 0, if you are going to substitute in this, again, what will you get? 6 into 0 square minus 23 into 0 plus 20 less than 0. So that means we got 20 less than 0. 20 less than 0, it is false. So this is true, this is false. Now how to write the solution for this? Means middle region is true. That means our solution lies in that region. So how to write that? Let us write our solution. X, it says less than 5 by 2 but greater than 4 by 3, means x is between 4 by 3 and 5 by 2. Let me put this in a box. Yeah. So this is our solution. Now the fourth example. This is given in another form. 4 minus 7x minus 2x square. So first of all, what we will do, we will rearrange the terms. So let's rearrange. So what we will get? Plus 4, that is equal to 0. Now the first term should be positive. So what we will be doing? Let us multiply all the terms by minus 1. So negative term becomes positive, positive term become negative. Let's write. So 2x square plus 7x minus 4 equal to 0. Now 2 into minus 4. The first term coefficient and last term you have to multiply. So that gives us minus 8. Now for minus 8 we have to find the two factors. When you multiply you should get minus 8, and when you add you should get plus 7. So if I take 8 and minus 1, that will work. Yeah. So you can write 2x square plus 8x minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 2x square plus 8x, the first two terms and the last two terms will take the common factor. So here will be a 2x common factor. So we get x plus 4. Now in minus x and minus 4 nothing is common. So we will take minus 1 common factor. So bracket part will be x plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies that we get the factors 2x minus 1 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we get 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 equal to 0, or x equal to 1 by 2, or x equal to minus 4. So our critical values are x equal to half or x equal to minus 4. So minus 4 will come on the left side and half will come on the right side. 0 comes between. So if you substitute 0 here, we are getting 4 less than 0, which is false. Right? So this is false, this is true, this is true. Now how to write the solution? True. Minus 4 left side is true. That means x less than minus 4, or x greater than 1 by 2. We put the answers in the box. Yeah. So these are our solutions. Just let's once again see. So in this video today we learned how to solve quadratic inequalities. What are the requirements for this? We need to know factorization method or quadratic formula or completing a square method to solve a quadratic equation. We can use either one to find the critical values, and then we decide the region drawing on the number line. I hope this makes sense to you. Thank you. Keep watching. Thanks a lot.